Hello, my friends. This is my last full day on the cruise. And when it's your last full day, it's packing day. I have to pack. I have to have my suitcases outside of my cabin door so that the room stewardess can take my suitcases down and I don't have to carry them throughout the ship when I depart. Now, here's the dilemma. This happens to me every time I go on vacation is that when I pack, it seems like I'm being very efficient with packing, but after our vacation, I have to repack. It just seems like, how did I get all of this stuff in the suitcase? So I am using these compression bags. They're plastic bags. They have a little pump that will compress the bag and take all of the air out, and that should allow me more room. So stay tuned while I pack all of my essentials. I'm going to speed this up a bit. So